Guys, so today we are going to be quickly going over vocab and then beginning reading Rocket Man. I'm going to play a recording of Rocket Man, part of it, and the words will be in the background. I'll have them up so you can read along with it. Or you don't have to listen to it. It's your choice. I'm going to post that in a separate video below so that that does not have to be an Edpuzzle. Okay, so you don't have to listen to it if you don't want to, but I will post the recording as an option for you. All right. So quickly, we're just going to go over vocab. Okay, so vocab for this unit, we have 8 words. So easy. First one, nonlinear plot. That is a plot. Okay, so think of math here, even if you hate math like I do. Okay, linear means a line, right? So it's going in a line. A nonlinear plot, the events are not told in the order in which they occurred. So it's not going in a line. It's not going in order of a timeline. Okay, nonlinear. All right, and then we have paradox. This one's going to be one of the more difficult ones. A paradox is a statement or proposition that seems contradictory or absurd, but in reality expresses a possible truth. So we have another definition that's very similar that means something self-contradictory or absurd. But in this one, it's because it's showing an actual truth. So it was the best of times, it was the worst of times. How can it be the best of times and the worst of times at the same time, right? But sometimes it can be, right? So it reveals the deeper truth, but it doesn't make sense. It's contradictory. Okay, irony and ironic, the opposite meaning of what is expected, okay? Sarcasm falls under verbal irony, right? But it's just not what you're expecting. It's the opposite. Sarcasm, here we go, it's on here. The use of irony to mock or convey contempt, intended to ridicule or to mock, okay? So this is, we're saying something we don't mean, but we're doing it to mock people. So it is a type of irony. Theme, okay, central idea of a work of literature. We've already worked a lot with theme in our fairy tales, so you should have a good idea of that one. Rhetorical purpose. The reason for the speaker's remarks, or a definition of the attitude that the author would like the reader to adopt. Okay, so it's the same thing if you're asking a rhetorical question, a question you're thinking about, right? But this one really focused on the word purpose. Okay, it is the reason why the speaker said what they did. Okay, it's the reason, it's a purpose. Flashback. The present is temporarily interrupted so you can witness past events when you're reading. Okay, I think we all know what a flashback is. Foreshadowing, again, we probably all know this one. It's highlighting and hinting at things to come, whether they're good, they're bad. We can kind of tell with the way things are going, something is coming soon that has to do with this. Okay, and that was all 8. I want you to go back through. The link is on the Schoology page and study these on your own. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and the link is right down here. It says vocab sheets. The Rocket Man will be posted underneath this. That is the story to go along with, but I'm going to post the video reading. It'll say audio reading below. Okay, and of course the Edpuzzle that you're watching right now will be right here. So good luck. Use the video if you need it, and let me know if you need help.